Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. This video is focused on graphical representation of motion. Main focus will be on velocity time graph. So, velocity time graph can be drawn under various conditions, whether object is moving with uniform speed, non-uniform speed or remaining at rest. बॉडी चाहे यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड में हो चाहे नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से मूव कर रही हो या रेस्ट पे हो, हम हर कंडीशन में वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, वी टेक टाइम अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस एंड वेलोसिटी अलोंग वाई एक्सिस. First of all, we will consider velocity time graph for uniform motion. What is uniform motion? When body object or an object travels equal distances in equal interval of time, that body is said to be in uniform motion and moving with uniform speed as well as uniform velocity. Why I'm taking uniform velocity? Because it is straight line motion, direction is not changing and magnitude of velocity is also not changing. But we find when stopwatch was started, at that time velocity of the body was found to be 10 meter per second. After 5 seconds, again 10 meter per second. Again after 10 seconds, again 10 meter per second. So after equal interval, after 5 seconds each, what we find, velocity remains same. So velocity time graph will be a straight line in which the graph will be a straight line parallel to time axis or x-axis. For which type of motion? It is motion which is uniform motion in which body is covering equal distances in equal interval of time and speed is remaining same, direction is straight line, so velocity is remaining same. Now this graph can be used to find distance. How you can find distance using this graph? We know that distance is speed into time. Now if I take time t, this, what I find, this speed is along y-axis. So I have one rectangle, area under the curve I have to take. Area under the curve, how it is representing area under the curve? Because distance is speed into time. Here what is speed? OA. And what is time? OC. What is OA? It is breadth. What is OC? It is length. So breadth into length. That is area under curve AB. Or you can say area of this rectangle, OABC. So by taking area under the curve, we can find distance using velocity time graph. Now, here, when we determine distance, what we find that we have to take area under the curve. Next, we can also find acceleration using this velocity time graph. How? By taking the slope. We know that acceleration is change in velocity upon time interval. Suppose I have two intervals, t1 and t2. So what I find, distance, this speed at t1, it is v. Speed at t2 also v. So v2 minus v1 will be 0 because v2 equal to v1 equal to v. And what will be the interval? t2 minus t1. So what I find, acceleration becomes 0. So acceleration is 0 for uniform motion. Because body is moving with same speed. I am talking about straight line motion. So there is no change in velocity. Whenever velocity does not change, body is not having any acceleration. So acceleration in case of uniform motion is a 0. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.